Let's review shampoo and a conditioner by Olaplex. In today's film, we are going to be testing out, trying out, and finally reviewing shampoo and a conditioner by Olaplex. So if you want to find out more about Olaplex, what do I think, whether it's good or if it's a heap of dirt, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? We are finally reviewing shampoo and a conditioner by Olaplex, and you've asked me about this review for quite some time, and this is actually take 2 of this film because when I first reviewed it, my camera just decided not to save this part of the film. But the final opinions and the results are original, so this is just like a beginning, kind of. But you guys, I have some exciting news, and I've been talking about those exciting news for quite some time. You guys, we finally have the MDC merch. Look at this, you guys. So everything is going to be available in the merch shelf down below, and we have the lovely heap of dirt tote bag, and also we have the MDC cap. So I mean, you can have an MDC cap and a heap of dirt bag. So let's find out whether Olaplex is going to go into a heap of dirt bag. So what is Olaplex? Olaplex is the original bond builder. It repairs damaged and broken bonds in the hair fiber, increases strength and elasticity of the hair, and protects the hair. So when Olaplex first came out, I believe it's in 2014, it was an additive to our hair color. So the whole idea behind Olaplex was that you add it into the color, because when we color our hair, right, when we lighten our hair and we use oxidant on our hair, our disulfide bonds are broken and they do not rebuild themselves, and or when our bonds are broken, that's what weakens our hair from within. And Olaplex was additive to the hair color, and basically that protected our bonds and made them rebuild themselves, which means we could color hair with minimal to no damage. Right, you guys, and this is very important because I talk about Olaplex, and you know what is Olaplex is not a holy grail, and what I don't like about Olaplex is, not that I don't like about Olaplex, is the way people look at Olaplex is everyone thinks that it's going to fix everything when it won't. Shampoo and a conditioner will not fix anything, but we're going to get into it in more detail. So you guys, with no further ado, let me present you with Bond Maintaining Shampoo by Olaplex. The keyword is bond maintaining. It maintains the broken bonds. So you guys, this is actually a travel size. Why? Because I have enough shampoos at the moment. But for the full size, which is 250 ml of product, we pay €29.50. When it comes to the packaging, I mean, it's classic Olaplex packaging. It is pretty, it is what it is. This is nourishing and repairing shampoo that's going to protect the hair from daily stress. As well as that, it's going to re-link broken bonds, help with nourishment, add shine and manageability of the hair. It will strengthen the hair, and as well as that, reduce breakage. So the whole idea behind this shampoo, this is a maintenance shampoo. So I always say, right, so the strongest part of Olaplex is in the in-salon treatments, right? Because what? This is very much a maintaining shampoo, and the active ingredient that Olaplex is using, that I'm just going to put down here, is because I'm just going to butcher it, has actually no nourishing properties. So this active ingredient actually relinks the broken bones in our hair fiber. So what this shampoo does is, obviously it does have this ingredient, so it helps to relink those bones. But as well as that, you guys, this shampoo has some additive nutritive ingredients in it that's going to help to nourish the hair. So guys, when it comes to Olaplex, one shoe does not fit all. If your hair is frizzy, if your hair is fine, if your hair is falling out, Olaplex will not fix all of this. Olaplex is a bond maintaining shampoo and a conditioner, meaning, see my hair is what? Blonde, which means it's sensitized, it's bleached. So my bonds are technically broken. So Olaplex be actually quite good for my hair because it's going to relink those broken bonds. And like that, you guys, it's not going to add very much nourishment and hydration, because this active ingredient that we spoke about earlier relinks the bonds and doesn't add nourishment and maintenance. And when it comes to broken bonds, that's deep within the hair fiber. So our hair is repaired internally and not externally. So you guys, what am I going to do is I'm going to open this up, I'm going to smell it, and yeah, so I'm just going to do like I normally do. And obviously I've used this shampoo, and you're going to see the final results later on. Obviously, so I mean, the color is clear as such, and the texture of the product is actually nice and creamy. How does it smell? It is nice and flowery and it is quite fruity. So you guys, let me present you with product number 2. Bond Maintenance Conditioner by Olaplex. Keyword, maintenance. Like that, this is also travel size, and for the full size, which is 250 ml of products, we pay €29.50. I nearly remember when they first came out on the market, there was something like €50, which was ridiculous. So basically, this conditioner repairs and maintains the bonds, and it goes hand in hand with the shampoo. If I were you, I would definitely recommend using this if you have Olaplex treatment or any bond strengthening treatment within your hair fiber to maintain it, because if you get an in-salon treatment, right, you guys, so that's very important. If you really want to notice huge results with Olaplex or any bond maintenance product, make sure to get an in-salon treatment first to add into your color to protect the bonds, and then maintain it with the shampoo and the conditioner. If you have no color in your hair, if your hair isn't color, most likely your bonds aren't broken. There could be slightly broken due to heat damage, etc, etc, but overall they would not be broken. So this is very much for someone's hair that is sensitized and colored. Like I mentioned earlier about the active ingredient in Olaplex, that does not nourish or hydrate the hair. So obviously they've added extra active ingredients to the shampoo and the conditioner to add nourishment. We have ingredients like coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, argan oil, banana fruit extra, glycerin, vitamin E, apricot kernel oil. So I mean, those are your classic hydrating ingredients when it comes to the hair, but it's nothing wow. So there's no like a hydrating and nourishing complex. So they are really relying on the name and very much on the actual active ingredients. But do let me know in the comment section down below what were your results with Olaplex and overall in an overall experience. So what am I going to do is I'm going to open this up and I'm going to pour a tiny bit of it on my hand, and I'm going to work that into my palms. Okay, so the formula is nice and creamy. Let's smell it. And like that, just like the shampoo, it is very fruity, it is very soft, it is quite nice. So you guys, right, so overall when it comes to Olaplex, what am I going to do now is I'm going to skip to the part that I already pre-recorded. Well, I already recorded, and I basically shampooed my hair, came back, etc, etc. So you guys, don't go anywhere to hear my final thoughts on Olaplex shampoo and the conditioner and see the results of it in my hair, because technically for my hair it should be amazing. So you guys, don't go anywhere. Right, you guys, and I am back after shampooing my hair and conditioning my hair using Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and a conditioner. So you guys, what are my opinions? Now, is it the best thing I have ever tried? Obviously not. I mean, it's not magic in a bottle. It's not holy water. It's not gonna save your hair. It does what it's supposed to do. It maintains the bond. The shampooing experience was rather pleasant. The shampoo felt lovely on the scalp. It's a nice formula, and the conditioner really has softened out my hair and made the hair really, really soft and conditioned. How does my hair feel at the moment? It feels fine. It does not feel overly amazing. However, do I believe that it maintains and strengthens the bonds from within? Yes, I do. So you guys, what am I gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna quickly dry off my hair, and we're gonna see the final results of Olaplex on my head. And my hair is dry, you guys. So what can I tell you? Now my hair does look well. It does feel soft. Is it the best it has ever felt after I reviewed a product? No. However, does it feel good? Yes, it does. Is it extremely soft? Not really. I mean, it is soft, but it's not overly soft. Does it look good? Yes, it does. However, are my bonds repair? I hope. So you guys, let's talk about everything. When it comes to Olaplex shampoo and a conditioner, I believe it has a place on this market. I believe it has a place for everyone in their shower. I do not like the fact that they make it to look like one shoe fits all and people buy into it, because it doesn't. It is perfect for people like me, people with hair that is sensitized, people that hair has been overly colored, it has been de-stressed a lot, and hair that just needs that tiny bit more love. Now, do I believe that Olaplex is the best thing that happened in the hair industry? Yes, it does, because it changed the world and it changed the way hair has been colored and how hair felt after coloring. Because like that, they are the original bonding product and you can't take it away from them. And I will thank them for that forever, and everyone should, because it changed how color has been made and how color has been done. However, do I think this product is the best thing ever? No. Who would I recommend this for? I would recommend this for anyone with hair that has been sensitized and want to maintain and strengthen their bonds. Would I say this is an everyday shampoo? If you don't have major hair concern, yes. However, I would intermix it with other ranges if your hair was longer or slightly bit more damage. However, I am going to review the rest of the range, and I'm going to do a full Olaplex test and see how my hair feels. So you guys stay tuned for that. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this video interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media, and of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.